The room was dark, silent. A young man sat alone on the floor. His life felt heavy. Everything seemed difficult. Work, study, relationships, dreams. Everywhere he looked, there was struggle. And one question kept repeating in his mind. Why does life have to be so painful? Maybe you have asked this question too. Most people believe that happiness means a life without suffering, a life without problems, a life without pain. But one man discovered something different, something uncomfortable, yet incredibly powerful. His name was Viktor Frankl, and he lived through one of the darkest periods in human history. He lost his freedom, he lost his family, he lived in places where hope seemed impossible, places where suffering was everywhere. And yet, inside that darkness, he discovered a truth that changed millions of lives. He realized something shocking. Suffering itself was not destroying people. Meaninglessness was. Two people could experience the same pain, but one would break and the other would rise. Why? Because one had something to live for, and the other did not. Frankl noticed that the people who survived the hardest conditions were not always the strongest, not always the smartest, not always the healthiest. They were the people who still had meaning, a reason to wake up, a reason to endure, a reason to continue, a loved one waiting for them, a dream not yet completed, a purpose bigger than their pain. And suddenly, suffering changed its shape. It was no longer meaningless torture. It became a price, the price of something valuable. Think about it. An athlete suffers to become strong. A student suffers to gain knowledge. A parent sacrifices for their children. An artist struggles to create something beautiful. Pain is everywhere, but when pain has meaning, it transforms. It becomes fuel. It becomes strength. It becomes growth. The real danger in life is not suffering. The real danger is waking up every day without a reason to endure it, without a purpose, without meaning. Because when suffering has no meaning, it becomes unbearable. But when suffering serves a purpose, it becomes power. So the next time life feels difficult, do not ask only, why is this happening to me? Ask something deeper. Ask something stronger. What meaning can I create from this? Because pain will visit every life, but meaning is a choice. And sometimes, the greatest strength you will ever discover is hidden inside the suffering you once tried to escape. Thanks for watching and listening.